Hey guys, today I'm trying out these inexpensive hair extensions that you can get from Amazon. These are the F-Shine hair extension wefts in color number 2, which matches my hair almost perfectly. I was really excited about that, but you can dye them if you need to. You can install these hair extensions many different ways. You can sew them in, you can use beads, you can glue them in, but I decided to use clip-ins because I wanted something that was super easy to install and that I could also take out as I wanted to. These extensions are great for adding length and volume to your hair. I used to have super thick, luscious hair, but because of the damage I've been doing to it, it's just not the same. So I just wanted to add that thickness back in. As you can see, I added a lot of thickness over to that side over there. And I'm going to repeat the process on this side to give myself a full, luscious head of hair. These hair extensions are 100% human hair, and they are durable for up to 150 degrees, so you can heat style them, you can curl them, straighten them, wave them, do whatever you please. With the holidays coming up, I think they would make a great Christmas present. I think they're super good quality hair extensions for the price, and I just really recommend them. They make me feel super confident, and I love them.